In this video, I will show you how to create a stamped effect on your Android device. This effect is made with Pixellab and PS Touch. Let us begin by opening Pixellab. Delete the text layer. Let us give the background a gradient color. You do not need to do this, you can leave yours at the middle. Let us import the PNG logo. The image link is in the description below. You can also watch how I made this logo. The video link is in the description below as well. Right now the image is not perfect. We have to make copy, and the copied layer will be great. Apply the same gradient color you applied on the background to the logo. Click on Emboss and enable it. Experiment with the values. Hide the logo and save the image. Now make the logo visible, and make the background transparent, then save the image. Let us continue this effect with PS Touch. Create an image layer. Select the background gradient color image you saved from Pixellab. Let us import the gradient color logo we saved from Pixellab. Let us add a drop shadow effect to the logo. Change the color to that of the background. Make the color darker. There we have it, we are good as done. If you like this video, let me know by clicking on the thumbs up icon. If you love to see more of my videos, then click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon, to be notified when I upload a new video. If you have anything to say, you can leave it down in the comment box below, and I will try my possible best to reply to every single one of it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.